Welcome friends. This video is the first video in the ancient history series for UPSC IAS preparation. In this video let's discuss about Stone Age, that is the age of early man. So the Stone Age is also called as prehistoric age because there was no written record. For history we need written records, okay, in the form of scripts, books and other ancient texts. But prehistoric times there was no written record and the history was reconstructed with the help of stone implements, bone tools and other archaeological materials. So the Stone Age is called prehistoric time. Let's look at this history of man in India during this period. So before moving further, let's look at the history of the earth itself. Earth was evolved 4 billion years old, okay? It was 4 billion years ago, and the evolution of earth shows 4 important eras. So the whole history of the earth can be divided into major divisions, that is 4 major important stages. These include Precambrian era, Paleozoic, Mesozoic and Cenozoic era. This Cenozoic era is the last era, okay, and the last period of the Cenozoic era is called Quaternary period, and this Quaternary period can be divided into Pleistocene and Holocene, okay. Pleistocene was previously ended and Holocene is running right now, okay. This period is running right now and man evolved completely during the Pleistocene. So if you have not understood properly this geological time scale, I will clear your doubt with the help of this diagram, okay, with this figure. So as I mentioned earlier, the history of the earth was divided into 4 important parts, important era, okay. So the first era is Precambrian era. It was started when the history started, okay. It was started in 4600 million years ago and ended in 570 million years ago, okay. So after that, after Precambrian era, then came the Paleozoic era, okay. Paleozoic era started in 570 million years ago to 245 million years ago, and after that Mesozoic era came, and finally Cenozoic era, okay. Cenozoic era started in 65 million years ago to the present day, okay. So this Cenozoic era can be divided into 2 important periods, that is tertiary period and quaternary period, okay. Tertiary period and quaternary period, and these periods can be further divided into epoch or ages, okay. So the final period of Cenozoic era is called tertiary period, and this again can be divided into 2 important epochs, that is Pleistocene epoch and Holocene epoch, okay. Pleistocene epoch started in the range of 2 million to 1.6 million years ago and ended in by the year 10,000 BC, okay. So Holocene started in 10,000 BC and it is still continuing, okay. So for simplicity, you can compare this with year, okay. A year era can be compared with a year and period can be compared with a month, okay. And this epoch can be compared in days when you compare this history of the earth. So this is a broader term, era, and era can be divided into periods. Period is further can be divided into epochs. So I hope you have clarified your doubt, okay. So in the Pleistocene era, earliest humans appear when the ice age begins. So this is related to geological time scale, and this time scale is also useful for your geography preparation, okay, for physical geography. And now let's look at the Stone Age, okay. Stone Age is also called because in this age the stone implements are used, okay. Stone Age can be the period of Stone Age is 500,000 BC to 2000 BC, okay. This is the long range, and the Stone Age can be divided into 3 important ages, okay. Paleolithic age, Mesolithic and Neolithic age. In the Paleolithic age, the meaning is that paleo means old, lithic means stone, okay, old Stone Age. So it started in 500,000 BC, ended in 10,000 BC, okay. So after that Middle Stone Age came. Meso means middle, lithic means stone, that is Middle Stone Age. It started in 9000 BC and completed in 4000 BC. And after that Neolithic age came. Neo means new, lithic means stone, New Stone Age. It started in 4000 BC and it came into end by 2000 BC in India, okay. So these are all the broad categorization of Stone Age culture. And if you look at this table, you get some clarity with respect to the prehistoric age. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, 5 lakh BC, the early Paleolithic age. Okay, and 1 lakh 25,000 BC, middle Paleolithic age runs, and the late Paleolithic and Mesolithic age merges in India. There is no clear distinction between the late Paleolithic and Mesolithic age in India. So I forgot to mention you that Paleolithic age can be further divided into early, middle, and late Paleolithic age. Okay, and Neolithic age came in 3500 BC, and after that Chalcolithic age came, and after that Bronze Age, that is the age of Indus Valley civilization, and after that Vedic age came, the advent of Aryans, and after that this later Vedic period came. Okay, so this is the broad categorization. If you observe the period here, the Paleolithic age took the longest time. Okay, so from 5000 BC, sorry, 5 lakh BC to 10,000 BC, the Paleolithic age runs. Okay, but the Mesolithic and Neolithic age takes only a short time, from 10,000 BC to 2000 BC. So the much of the part of the history was covered by the Paleolithic age, old Stone Age, with the crude hand tools. Okay, and when the history transferred to Mesolithic age, the stone tools were refined. Small stone tools, very refined stone tools were used, and in the Neolithic time, polished stone tools for better use was invented. So this is with respect to Stone Age culture. In the next video, let's discuss about the Paleolithic culture and Mesolithic culture in detail. Thanks for watching. Please share this video with your friends so that it can reach more people, because I lost contact with all my subscribers since YouTube has not it has no option to contact the subscriber, all the subscribers. So please